Hi guys, I have another unboxing for you of some yarn that I just love. Well, I don't know that I love it yet, but this is my second month that I have gotten something called Row 1 yarn. And I didn't unbox the first one. I have it, but I didn't unbox it, and I should have. But Row 1 is a yarn subscription that you get every month, and you get, I believe it's 10 minis. And you don't get a ton of yarn, but it's just a sampling of a new dyer. Or maybe not new, but a dyer. Like each month is a different dyer. So let's see, I'm going to open this up. So you get a little bag. And here are the yarns. And there's a little treat. And I think in this treat thing, I love the bag. It will tell us about the dyer. Oh goodness. So there's a couple high chew candies, a strawberry and a mango. And there is a Row 1, this looks like a compass, like a compass rose kind of a thing on a little light bulb clip. So there's a little something something. And this month, the Carnival of Color Club from Row 1 Yarn brings 100 grams of Denali sock yarn from Explorer Knits and Fibers. Denali sock yarn is 80% superwash merino, 20% nylon fingering weight with 2-ply twist and comes 400 yards to 100 grams. Allie Ford is the artist behind Explorer Knits and Fibers. Allie's passion for dyeing is something she could never have expected. Creating something so unique and inspired by places I've traveled brings me so much joy and inspiration. And seeing others create beautiful knit garments with my hand-dyed yarn is the most special feeling in the world. Allie dyes her yarn from her home studio in Aurora, Colorado. Care and instructions from Explorer Knits and Fibers. We recommend hand washing all knit garments in lukewarm water and then laying flat to dry on blocking mats or a clean towel. To see more of Explorer Knits and Fibers, check her out at explorerknitsandfibers.com. And we get a total of 100 grams of color included this month. And she has all of the colors listed. And I believe this is a $25 subscription. So for $25 you get a skein of yarn essentially from somebody new. And it's kind of fun, I think. I am really enjoying this so far. So each one of these, which I think is amazing, is wound, and it has the colorway, and it tells you who it is. So this is Explorer Knits and Fibers by Hopi. So it's already wound and ready to use. So this one's Hopi. This one is Padfoot. It has blues and purples, some pinks. This one is Dumbledore's Army. It's beautiful blue. I didn't show you Hopi very well, or Hoppy, H-O-P-I. Look how beautiful that is. And then here is Snuggled Up. It's a beautiful cranberry color. This one is Turning Leaves, and it has lots of beautiful fall colors. There's green and like a plum and a dusty blue and a mustard color. It's beautiful. This one is called Foliage, and it is all different colors of a beautiful tree. This one is called Hoodoo, and it is a royal blue. Very pretty. This one is kind of an ice blue, or maybe it's gray, and it's called Hedwig. So I bet it is gray. Sorry, I was thinking it was like an ice blue, but I think it's more of a gray, light gray with some black. And this one is Grand Canyon National Park. I've never been, but I imagine those are all colors that you can see at the canyon. And this one is Titanium, and it is a gorgeous silver gray color. I love how they're all packed and nice and ready to use. So I think that's pretty cool. You get 100 grams total, And it's just a little something something to make a little something something. Kind of fun. And it's a little present every month. So I like those little gift, boxes every month that you don't know exactly what you're getting. I enjoy it. So if you do too, you might check this out. Again, it's called Row 1. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.